The Retirement Group Planner Honest Review. Wait before using. The Retirement Group is a financial advisor firm specializing in retirement planning, particularly for employees of large corporations. They offer a service like a portfolio management, financial planning, and educational seminars with approximately 544.5 million assets under the management. They also cater to both retail and high net worth clients. And here's the advantages of this platform. They focus on the retirement planning for those corporate employees. They also offer a range of service, including financial planning and portfolio management. They also provide seminars and workshops to educate clients. And here's the downside about this platform. Employees review suggest concern about the work environment and management practice. They're also not accredited by the Better Business Bureau or hold a B rating due to unresolved complaint, and fewer clients review available online compared to other firms. And here's the overall verdict about this platform, which is the group planner offer a specialized service for those nearly retirement, especially corporate employees, while they provide a comprehensive planning and educational resources. And potential clients should be aware of the mixed reviews and consider contacting or conducting a thorough research or seeking additional opinion before choosing this retirement planner as their planner. Thanks.